So today we're going to open up the Melissa and Doug Prepare and Serve pasta set. This set has 55 pieces. Let's check it out. Okay, just digging right in here. I am super pumped about this set because who does not love pasta? Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have our pot. This is sell out, but that's okay. It's a nice bright red, made out of plastic. Let's see what else we have. Now this, like I said, this is 55 pieces. That is hefty for this play set. Comes with a little pasta scooper like that. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, wow. So I love when there's a combination of materials made for these types of sets. So we have a little salt shaker that is made out of wood, some other little ingredients that are made out of wood. Let's get this colander. And also, this colander fits perfectly inside of this pot. Super, super cute. Here's our lid. Okay. We have our little bowl with some felt. Again, multiple materials to be used. Maybe this is some pasta sauce, some cheese, some little pasta noodles. Really, really cute. I can just pop those right back in for one moment. Let's get... Oh, so cute. Okay. We have multiple boxes of pastas. This is really, really nice, actually. I didn't realize there were actual pasta inside some of these. So let's get the boxes out and we'll open all these up. So we have some ravioli, we have penne, linguine, and some bow ties. Okay. Let's finish getting these out first, and then we'll get into the ingredients. We have a can of tomato sauce. Very cute. We have a little fork, which has some Velcro on it. This is also made out of wood. There's some Velcro, which I'm assuming when used with the pieces. Oh yeah, see, it sticks right on there. That is adorable. Very well thought out. I like that a lot. Okay. We have another little can of Parmesan cheese, grated, perfect for spaghetti night. Gotta love that. Okay. And we also have, oh, this is cute. Okay. So in the back of our packaging, we have a stovetop and a sink. That is really, really nice. You can actually take this out and utilize it in your play. So while all of these items would be great in a play kitchen, if you happen to not have one, you can have one right there on your table. That is really thoughtful and really nice to have, actually, because a lot of times play kitchens can be really large and take up a lot of space. This takes up no space at all and can be stored away very easily. So let's place this here. Now, let's dig into how some of these things work together. Okay. Oh, also, I don't want to forget, it looks like we have an instruction card made out of plastic, nice thick plastic, on how to prep your pasta, give step-by-step instructions on what to do, which is really fun for little kids that, if maybe they can't read, you might want to read it alongside of them, but that step-by-step learning is really, really good. What comes after each other, great skill building. And then on the other side, we have what looks like a menu card. So you can pick your different type of pasta, different toppings, so extra cheese. You can include meat or spinach. So those little round pieces are those extra little toppings. And then also your sauce. So you can have tomato sauce, some of the Parmesan cheese, or this is supposed to be butter. That is really cute. Just a basic little square. Perfect. Okay. Now, the pasta boxes. Good, heavy cardboard. Really cute detail on them. They have nutrition facts. Super realistic. It's called Lots of Pasta. Really, really nice. This one is empty, but I believe that this linguine, these little strands of linguine could fit right in there. Good, hefty cardboard, I should say. Wouldn't be terribly concerned about it breaking right out the gate. So that's a good one. We have our bow ties, which it does look like there are extra bow ties in here. So let's open these up. Oh yeah, so cute. Made out of a felt. Really cute little detail. Very simple, but also realistic too. Our kids see us in the kitchen. They see us working with things like this, and they want to do the same. So this is a great thing to have to kind of teach them how to cook, what's in our kitchens, or even shopping. So this would be a fun opportunity to do a grocery shopping playtime. Really nice. Penne. I don't believe. Oh, it does have penne. It does have noodles. So cute. I love this so much. Again, really realistic. I mean, it's super simple and basic, but really cute. Just pops it right open. You can put them back in, or you can pour them into your colander. So cute. I love that. Oh, wow. And then we have some raviolis. Let's open that up. Okay. Oh, really nice. You get quite a few of each. So this one comes with 4. And I believe if you... Oh, there it is. If you open up, each of the ravioli have a little slit so you can stuff him. So this wooden piece is pretend meat. You could pretend it's sausage or something, and you can slide it right in. Let me see if I can. There we go. Perfect for fine motor skills, opening up the slat and popping it in, which then gives it some, multi-dimensional play, right? It's not just a thin little piece of felt. It's now an actual ravioli in your child's eyes. Allows them to pretend to be the chef. So nice. I really like that a lot. Really cute. Now, like I said, we have a salt shaker. Can pretend to season your food. We have a couple of cans here, which it looks like, again, also these have nutrition facts, really realistic. They're made out of plastic, so you don't have to worry about it being too heavy. And the lid pops off. That is really, really cute. And you can even put your pasta sauce inside or maybe on the top to kind of pretend to pour it. That is really, really nice. We have our Parmesan that can also go right in there. Also, great storage opportunity too. You're not going to lose all your little pieces. They go right in the toy. That is fantastic. I love this so much. Great, great set. I would say 10 out of 10 for Melissa and Doug. Again, you can pretend to wrap your pasta around your fork, pretend to eat it. Really cute. Love it. So,